An Ohio Supreme Court justice gave students first-hand experience in social studies.
27 First News reporter Jerry Ricciuti talked to Judge French about her lesson for 10 local schools.
It's not every day high schoolers get to hear from a sitting Ohio Supreme Court justice and ask her questions.
Judges are not politicians. Yet in Ohio, you run for public office.
Boardman AP government student Ricky Sammartino asked Justice Judith French how judges manage to remain impartial while campaigning for votes.
Having unbiased judges who will uphold justice and make things fair for all Americans is very important. And the nature of an elected judge sometimes seems to have a conflict of interest with that.
For 90 minutes this morning, French answered questions like that, as well as explaining how the court operates. Sitting in the audience, 50 students from Austintown Fitch who are actually on spring break this week, but didn't want to pass up a living, breathing civics lesson.
We sit in a classroom and we learn about these things, and it's another situation to get to come here and listen to somebody who's actually making big decisions for the state of Ohio talk to us. So.
Our generation's moving up, and it's really important to start so early and just learn these things and hear the influential people so that someday we can be those people.
These kids are from the STUTHERS mock trial team, which went to state competition for the first time this year. One asked how closely her team's activities resemble real life.
I thought her response was really good. She said that there was a few similarities and differences, but it gave you an overall view of how it actually is in the courts.
The justice grew up in Sebring, and her mother taught at West Branch. She thinks she has education in her bones.
For that reason, I feel like I owe a debt, that this is a way for me to give back a little bit and to be a resource to the teachers.
One these students seem to appreciate. In Boardman, Jerry Ricciuti, WKBN 27 First News.